spring market is going to start late this year due to the weather. It's Friday, February 21st, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's indie boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Annapolis Real Estate Report. Typically, we do see more activity by now, but the weather has held off sellers coming to the market and kept buyers' minds from daydreaming about moving. As the weather and moods improve, we should see more activity. Annapolis has 125 properties for sale. 15 properties are coming soon. 31 homes went under contract in 10 days, this report. 13 homes sold for 97.5% list to sold ratio in 22 days. Rentals fell slightly to 41 homes, but the monthly price rose this week to $3,000 median dollars per month, with being on par with last report. That's your wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, February 21st, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay safe and warm. I'll see you next week. Take care.